First of all, what do we need to do? We need to close everything that is still running regarding GTA 5. How do we do that? The best way, just open your task manager and then click on more details, and here search for everything that has to do with GTA 5 and Rockstar Games Launcher and close it. So just click End Task, and when you've done that, we can get to the next step. This is for this, just type in Windows plus Windows button plus R at the same time on your keyboard, and then here type in %appdata % and click on OK or Enter, run it, and then a folder looking like this should open, and here click on appdata and then click on local, and here we need to make sure to find, or we can just click into this folder and then type in Rockstar, and then we should find a folder that is called Rockstar Games, and then simply select this folder and delete it. Yeah, it's that easy. Then we can close this folder again, and we should be able to fix the issue that's of GTA 5's crashing. If you've got any questions left, just leave them in the comment section below. Really hope this worked. If so, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Would be very much appreciated. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Wish you a wonderful day. Bye.